For practice problem 2, we're told that parallelogram ABCD is shown on the coordinate plane, and then parallelogram A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, the one after we do a transformation, is not shown. But we know the transformation that happens is a rotation of 180 degrees around the origin. They ask us which statements about the new parallelogram ABCD prime are going to be true, and then to select each correct statement. They're asking questions about which line segments are parallel to each other. We see all of the answer choices are about which line segments, maybe the new AB prime, is it going to be parallel to the new BC prime? These are two line segments, meaning the line segment connecting AB and BC. The key is to recognize that if I do a rotation, if I spin this figure around, then it's still going to have the same parallel angles everywhere. The angles and the relationship between AB and BC won't change when you spin them around. So right now I see that AB is not parallel to BC. Parallel would mean the same slope, they would never intersect. I see AB is also not parallel to AD, so when we spin this figure, neither A nor B will become true. C says AB is parallel to CD. If I focus there, I see here's AB, here is CD, and those two line segments are parallel. If I spin this figure, they're still going to be parallel to each other. So C is one of my correct answers. Answer choice D says is AD right here, parallel to BC. They are in the beginning, so after we rotate 180 degrees, that's still going to be true. D is an answer. And answer choice E says is AD going to be parallel to DC. They aren't to begin with. They intersect. So if you rotate this figure, they're still going to be intersecting and not parallel. There's only two correct answers.